everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It does help my channel out. If you're a busy mom for whatever reason, this video is for you. If you just want to come up with something quick to get Santa some cookies on Christmas Eve, let's get started. Okay, everybody, so this is all that you need to make some super simple cookies for Santa. I've just picked up some Great Value vanilla wafer cookies back there. They're the ones that look like this, and you could probably use any flavor that you want, but these were like not even $1. I think these were like 98 cents at Walmart. So you just want a package of these cookies. And then I just picked up some candy melts. I've just got the vanilla flavor here. They're the white. You can go with any color that you'd like. This is what I picked. As I'm editing, I want to come back in here and let you know that when I've made these cookies in the past, I always used some kind of a chocolate, whether it was chocolate chips or a Hershey bar or just some sort of a chocolate or white chocolate melt. I had never used the candy melts before. And if you like stuff very sweet, like if you are a fan of frosting, you would like this cookie with the melts. But if you are a person like me, you probably would want to go for the chocolate over using the melts. I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know when I make these again, I'm going to stick with chocolate. But they did turn out very cute and pretty. I just, I want you guys to know what I thought. And then I just picked up some Christmas colored sprinkles. Of course, you can use any kind of sprinkle that you would like. And then these are versatile. You could make these any time of year. You could play around with the colors of everything. You could do Halloween or Valentine's, whatever you wanted to do. But we're going to go ahead and do Christmas ones. They turn out so super cute. It is so easy. And then there you go. You've got some cookies for Santa that don't take very long to put together at all. Underneath all of this, I've got a sheet of wax paper. So you're going to want something like that, whatever technique you use that your cookie can set on and not stick while it's drying. And then I've got a double broiler here, you guys. This one's about 1,000 years old. If you don't have a double broiler, you're gonna want one for melting the candy. Anytime you melt candy or chocolate, you can't just do that in just a pot on the stove. However, you can make your own. There's different ways you can do it, but you can just use like your regular pot for the bottom, and then if you've got like a glass bowl or a real metal bowl, you can make your own that way. There's techniques using the crock pot where they use the mason jars, and I think they put a little tiny bit of water in the bottom, make kind of like a little bath, and then they put their mason jars in there with whatever they're melting on the inside. There's different techniques, and a good place to find out what technique works with whatever you have on hand would be Pinterest, you guys. All I'm going to do now is put some water. I don't want to fill it up. You can kind of see where the line is there just because this is from the 80s. That's how old this is. That's where the water is going to go. It's just permanently there at this point. And then I'm going to put it on a low medium heat and get my white candy in here that I'm melting. So I'm going to go ahead and get to that point and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've got my water in my bottom part of my double broiler. And then I just put the top part of my double broiler on, got my melts in, put the lid on. And that's going to take a minute for the water to heat up to melt the chocolates. I do have it on a low medium heat. I will show you what it looks like once it starts melting. Okay guys, so while the candies are melting, I went ahead and I'm making like an assembly line. It's just easier to get all the cookies out of the packaging so that you can grab them really quickly. And then I have a little hot pad that I'm going to put my candy on when it is finished. And then I just grabbed a paper plate here because why not? Then I can just throw it away when I'm done. And I put my sprinkles out on the paper plate. I'm pretty sure it'll take all of them. I actually Might not have enough as I look at this for all the wafers, but we will see. So as your chocolate melts, every once in a while, you want to come in here and give it a stir. So that's what I've been doing. It's probably just about done now. So I'm going to go ahead and give it another stir, and then I am going to put it on my hot pad and get these going. So you're just dunking the tip of your wafer into your candy, and then you're popping over to the sprinkles and just coating the candy, and then I'm just coming over here and setting it down to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do them all, and I'll show you what they look like. Elizabeth, get out of here. No, Elizabeth, I'm making a video. Seriously? My daughter just snagged one, you guys, so when Santa doesn't bring her anything, and I'm teasing her because she's 18. They might think you're a little kid. Santa's not going to bring Elizabeth anything. Is it good?
It is good.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's good, guys. Elizabeth approved. Anyways, guys, I had to put my candy back on the broiler because it was getting hardened up. I don't know how many more I'm going to be able to do. I don't have a lot of candy left. I got some wafers left, and I have a little bit of sprinkles left. I went ahead and pulled out, I had some green sprinkles in case I need to do some of the cookies in that. So when I'm finished, I'll show you them all. Okay, guys, so I was able to do all of my wafers. I did run out of the Christmas sprinkles that I bought, and I just had that little container, guys. So if you don't already have sprinkles on hand, you might want to buy 2 of those. You won't use all of the second one at all, but just to be on the safe side, unless you don't care if you do all the wafer cookies, that's an option too. But yeah, it made the whole package. I was able to find some green sprinkles, and then there was plenty of that candy left, so that was more than enough. Not enough to do 2 packages, I wouldn't say, but there was plenty remaining. So I'm just going to leave these out to dry. I just grabbed a little stand that I have that's kind of got a built-in tray on it, and I just stuck it in front of my Christmas tree here. There is our tree this year. There it is. So that Santa knows it is for him. Last year I really went all out, but this year I'm just busy. So I just wanted to show moms and kids out there that you could throw together a Christmas cookie for Santa that's special and expensive and so super easy. My daughter made this plate right here. It's got a cute little penguin on it. If you want to learn how to make plates like that, I do have a video on it. I'll put a link in my description box below, or there will be a link at the end of the video and my end screen. I will also include a link in my description box of the reindeer food that I made last year. There's lots of recipes for reindeer food out there, and it can usually be made with whatever moms have in their pantries. Of course, I've got some milk there for Santa. I have a little, I'm sorry about the shadow, guys, but I have a little Merry Christmas sign there. And then I've got the reindeer food sitting next to it. So Rudolph and his buddies can have a treat too. So this is just some oatmeal and cinnamon, and then I had some green sprinkles, and I had some star sprinkles. So that is what that recipe is. And then I just put a little Santa ornament next to his cookies so he knows that's for him. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Come, all ye faithful.